Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Angeles here. I am super excited then again for another video. This video, as you guys can see, this is the look that I created for you guys with a product that is my favorite. I bought this for my birthday and I am gonna continue buying it. It's called Coco and Eve and it smells like coconut. You guys know how much I love coconut because in my other video I introduced you to another product, but this is the star of my channel today, and I wanted to incorporate the colors as you guys can see for this product. I hope you guys buy it. I will be giving you the link down below in my description so you guys can go to the website and get your own. So if you guys want to keep watching and learn about this look, let's continue. Okay, mi bella gente, we're gonna be using our foundation like always. I'm gonna be using my concealer from Tarte and it looks like this. Next is gonna be our concealer. I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Born This Way and it looks like this. Okay, once you're done with your concealer, I did my eyebrows already as you guys can see, so we can go right ahead and start with our look. I'm gonna be using my palette Revolution, the Emily Edit. I found the colors here that are perfect for what I want to aim for. And the first color that I'm going to be using is a base. I'm going to be using this one right here. It's called Oh Heavens and it looks like this. I'm going to be using my Coca-Cola Morphe and it looks like this, you guys. Grab that base and put it all over my eye, just as my base for my eye. Take the hair, put it in the bag. Once you're done with your base, I'm gonna be adding a green. It's called it's called Corduroy. If I am saying it wrong, please comment in the bottom and let me know. Corduroy. And it's this one right here in the bottom. I'm going to be using my number 7 from BH Cosmetics, like this. I'm going to be adding it in the outer corner, my inner corner. I don't want to add it in the middle because that's where I want to put my light color in. I'm going to go softly and slowly so you guys can see. And this green is beautiful, you guys. Grab some more, tap, and just start from the outer corner first. I'm gonna tap it just because I don't want to see it light. I want that color to go fully on, just like that. Now I'm gonna grab some more and I'm gonna put it in my inner corner like I said in the beginning. It's up to you if you guys want to have a smaller brush. You guys can do that. Grab some of that green and do the same thing. I'm gonna grab that with my finger because I do want to have that green that I'm aiming for. I don't want it a light green. You know, use the brush to blend it in, shape it how you want to shape it. Now we're gonna do it on the inner corner. It does crease a bit, but with your finger you can take that out. For the middle of my lid, I'm gonna be using number 9 from BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna show you the difference because there's different sizes of flat brushes. This one's a smaller one and this one's a big one. I'm sorry, I just want to show you the different kind of flat brushes I'm using. Like I said, this is number 9, the one I'm gonna be using right now. I'm gonna be using the concealer because I want the color, which is pink, I want it to look really pigmented and really nice. I don't want the pink to fade away or be too light. I really want that pink to show. So I'm gonna put it in the middle. I'll do the same with the other eye. That big flat brush, I'm gonna grab that pink that I want to add on top of that concealer. So take the hair away. And the pink that I'm gonna be using is called Cupcake, and it looks like this. Really nice pink, and it really incorporates to the product that I want to introduce to you guys. I always tell you guys from the back and to the front. So if you do run out from the back, you have in the front. Tap a little bit of access out and put that nice beautiful pink in the middle where the concealer is. Also, what I can see with the concealer, it keeps it in the middle. It doesn't blend with the other color, and that's what I really want, to keep it in the middle, to keep that eye look that I want to aim for. I'm gonna grab some more and go to my other eye. I am going like up and just tapping it like up and down. You could also like just shave it off like this. It's up to you how you guys want. Really nice pink. I'm gonna grab some more, put another layer on there because I really want that pink to show on my eye. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my blending brush from Coca-Cola Morphe like this. I want everything to look natural. Now for the next step to incorporate on this look, I want to add that black liner so I can show that pop. I'm gonna be using my Tarte, my favorite one. I am definitely gonna buy another one, definitely promise you guys, but for now this is like my favorite one, just because I've been going through many eyeliners and I haven't found, like, I'm gonna be trying other ones. Just for now I will be using this one. It's my Tarte Sex Kitten liner. Of course, if you guys have one that's been working for you, please comment in the bottom and let me know which one is working for you guys so I can try it. I love reading your comments. So next is gonna be my lash mascara. I'm gonna be using my Thrive. It looks like this, you guys. Put it on my lashes. I'm trying to see you guys and at the same time put it on. After your lashes, I'm gonna be doing my my falsies, and I'm gonna be using my Kiss lashes, and the ones that I'm gonna use are called Jubilee. Okay, so once you're done with your lashes, next is our lips. I'm gonna be using my favorite one, which is NARS 4 to Jore's Matte, and it's like a nude lipstick. And to add a gloss for that, I'm going to be using my NYX Butter Gloss. It looks like this. And with my fingers. Okay, there you have it, you guys. This is a look that I created for you guys. I like it. I am thrilled to show you. Like I said, please comment down below and like this video, subscribe to be part of the Bella fam, and don't forget to buy your Coco and Eve product for your hair. It's amazing product for any kind of hair. Can't wait for you guys to buy it. See you guys next time. For the end of my video, I love telling you guys a little advice for the day. If you want to care for others, you have to care for yourself, and that means taking care of your hair, taking care of your nails, taking care of your eyes. Everything about you, you need to take care of first before you take care of others. So I hope you guys enjoy my little advice.